it's a cozy day. Time for cookies and cocoa to play. Mix the flour, stir the dough. Watch it grow and rise just so. Cookie, cookie, cocoa too. Stir it, bake it just for you. Mix and munch, have lots of fun. Cookies and cocoa for everyone. Roll the dough, pat it flat. Cut the shapes, imagine that. Stars and hearts and little moons. Smiling faces, cheerful tunes. Sprinkle chocolate chips so sweet. Tiny treats we love to eat. Mix them gently, don't let them fall. We want cookies big and small. Oven warm, watch them bake. Golden cookies we will make. The smell is yummy, fills the air. Kids and cocoa everywhere. Pour the cocoa in a cup. Marshmallows floating up and up. Stir it slowly, sip it slow. Warm and cozy, nice and low. Pass the cookies, pass the cheer. Everyone can join right here. Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Cookie and cocoa dance so sweet. Stack them high, build a tower. Cookie castles hold such power. Chocolate rivers sprinkle snow. Cookie fun will always grow. Cookie, cookie, cocoa too. Stir it, bake it just for you. Mix and munch, have lots of fun. Cookies and cocoa for everyone. Cookies gone, cocoa sip. Tiny hands and lips all dipped. Wave goodbye, say see you soon for another cozy cookie too.